Hello, this is Richard C. Wilson, founder of the Family Office Club and Centimillionaire Advisors, LLC. I'm coming to you from San Francisco today. We've got a couple hundred people upstairs here in the Hyatt behind me on the waterfront here in San Francisco. And we're hosting a private investor summit today, but I'm having lunch here and I wanted to record a short video on the fundamental components of centimillionaire investment strategies. I've seen while meeting with many $100 million plus net worth families called centimillionaires that many of them have some common components that are fundamental to doing well within their direct investment portfolio and overall with deal flow and investing in their portfolio in general. So these components are, they have a thesis that is very specific with a process behind it. They have a unique strategy, not a me too, follow the herd strategy, and they can articulate that very clearly. They have the balance sheet because they're a centimillionaire, and they have the reputation, the credibility, and the track record to get big things done. When you combine a specific thesis with a unique strategy, with a balance sheet, with a great reputation, credibility, and a balance sheet and a track record, that's when you can get enormous things done. That's what makes them a very powerful partner in business. If you find that you've just exited a company, just sold your business, or you are ultra wealthy, or a private investor, or a centimillionaire, and you do not have all of these components, I simply would not invest in anything until you do. You might as well have your own thesis, your own unique strategies, your own, securing your own balance sheet to be working with as a part you already have done if you're a private investor or ultra wealthy. But making sure that you have a focus that aligns your credibility with the deal you're doing, and that you're not just doing a lot of generic things with me too, follow the herd strategies is really important. A lot of families lose a lot of money by just spreading their money out in investments they don't understand, they don't control, they don't have strategic value to add to the situation. So they get normal valuations and normal returns or worse, instead of superior returns, better valuations, seeing deal flow first exclusively, and being able to have more fun applying your passion and expertise to opportunities. If you want to learn more, please check out centimillionaires.com or familyoffices.com. Take care.